Alright, coach, tough game, traveling away from home, basically picking up a point here. But at one point you have all three in the bag from early in the piece. Disappointed that you couldn't hang on and even concede only one goal to ensure that you come away with 3 points?
The game lasts 90 plus minutes, so there's no guarantee that you go 2-3-4-0 up early that you're going to win the game. Yeah, we started brightly. We approached the start the way we wanted to. We were aggressive in our press. We pressed them high. We moved the ball quickly, and we got two goals. I thought after the second goal, I don't know, we probably got a bit complacent. We allowed them back in the game. We gave up a soft goal. I think on the first goal, definitely a clear push on Topi. The referee, for some reason, he decided not to give an infringement. But and then we gave up a second goal. But both goals, I thought we could have defended a lot better. But yeah, that's behind us. We look at the film, make some adjustments, get prepared for the next one.
In terms of missing out on the opportunity to go back atop the Premier League standings, how disappointed are you in missing out on that chance?
Not disappointed, we're still on top. It might be goal difference, but we're still on top. But like I said, when you go 2-0 up in a game, most times you want to settle and consolidate. But as I said again, we let them back in 2 scrappy goals. But that's the nature of football. We'll assess this game, look at where we went wrong, try and correct those things and improve on what we did well. And the way we started, that is something we'll have to try to do more consistently throughout the 90 minutes of the game.
Are you disappointed really the second half because you guys started to play with a high press? Are you disappointed that you couldn't maintain that high press throughout the second half?
No team presses for 90 minutes. It's not humanly possible. So we picked the moments when to press. That is important. And I thought we did that well. We created opportunities. If you realize the second half, I thought we had the better chances. Bygrave had 2, Trevante Stewart had 1. But again, the nature of football, 2-2. It's a fair result on the night. As I said, we'll go, we prepare and get ready for the next one.
All right, coach. Well done.